Ever wonder how a pile of raw sugarcane and a sack of peanuts turn into pure candy crack that'll wreck your diet in one bite? Buckle up, we're diving into 3 wild worlds of sweet making: a sweaty old-school cane mill, a spotless peanut butter factory, and a street-side caramel wizard slinging molten gold. Sweat, science, and straight-up sorcery. Hit play, you're not ready for this sugar rush. Welcome to an authentic, hands-on sugarcane mill in Riyadh Al Zira. Right away, the sheer scale hits you. Tons of fresh cane and spent bagasse piled high outside, proof of non-stop back-breaking work that turns raw stalks into pure sweetness. First up, the toughest step, crushing the cane. Workers like this guy in the blue shirt never stop, feeding massive bundles of cane into the beast of a machine, one after another, no breaks. Meet the heart of the operation. This isn't some sleek factory press, it's a colossal wooden and steel beast, hand-built with giant gears that have crushed cane for generations, pure mechanical muscle. Total focus and raw power are required. Every bundle has to slide in perfectly, repetitive, risky, and they do it hour after hour. Here's the payoff: liquid gold. Pure, frothy sugarcane juice, pouring straight into a huge tank, so fresh you can almost taste the earth and sunshine in every bubble. From the tank, the juice hits the boiling pans. Evaporation and concentration begin. 2 goals: drive off excess water to thicken the syrup and purify it. Steam explodes upward, filling the air with that irresistible sweet cane perfume. Workers skim constantly with long poles and mesh scoops, lifting off foamy impurities that rise in the heat. Removing them is crucial for crystal-clear final sugar. This takes years of know-how. Master artisans judge perfection by eye and instinct alone. Color, bubble size, the exact moment the syrup sings ready. Watch him stir a darker, thicker batch, sweat dripping, but this step keeps the sugar from scorching and ensures even crystallization. When it hits that gorgeous amber glow, it's go time. A worker scoops the molten syrup with a giant ladle on a long pole. He hauls it to the cooling zone. You can see the heat and weight in every strained muscle. Now it's a race against cooling. Another craftsman jumps in, spreading, folding, and beating the sticky mass with wooden paddles the instant it starts to set. Folding and beating isn't just cooling, it creates crystallization, creating a creamy, uniform texture instead of rock-hard chunks. Look at those hands. Decades of muscle memory let him work the hot, pliable sugar like clay, knowing exactly when it's perfectly pliant. Finally, he spreads and presses it into long wooden molds, slices and packs tight, shaping the finished blocks. Behold, raw Rapadura sugar blocks, pure, earthy sweetness born from soil, sweat, and sheer artistry. Now let's flip to a totally different world: high-tech peanut candy, using peanuts and sugar. It starts with raw peanuts still in their papery skins, hundreds of pounds dumped into a gleaming stainless hopper. Hygiene is locked in from second one. An automated bucket elevator lifts them skywire, zero human touch, maximum cleanliness and speed. Into a gas-fired industrial roaster they go. Blue flames deliver precise, steady heat, the magic number, perfect temperature to unlock deep, nutty aroma without a hint of burn. Hot roasted peanuts spill onto a mesh cooling conveyor. A worker in full PPE rakes them thin fast. Even cooling stops residual heat from overcooking the nuts. Next, a high-speed peeler splits and strips the skins, in seconds, ditching any bitterness and prepping perfect halves for grinding. Recipe time. Refined sugar joins the peeled peanuts. The exact ratio is the brand's secret flavor code. Even with machines, hands matter. A gloved worker mixes by hand, coating every peanut in a thin sugar veil before the grind. Transformation moment. The dry mix hits the grinder. Crushing pressure bursts the peanut's natural oils, turning solids into silky, glossy peanut butter in seconds. For crunchy-style fresh ground smooth butter pours over chopped roasted peanuts. Then more chunks are folded in, building that irresistible snap in every bite. Jars zip down an auto line, a capping machine seals them instantly, freshness and safety guaranteed. Final product, chunky peanut butter jars spin onto a turntable, ready for boxing in your pantry. But they don't stop there. Next, peanut-filled wafer rolls. Workers carefully stuff crumbly peanut filling into hollow rolls by hand. Nearby, precision pumps inject silky peanut cream into more rolls. Hand skill meets robotic accuracy. Crisp stuffed rolls are gently arranged and sealed into zip bags. Every move protects the delicate crunch. Finally, a street food spectacle, high-heat candy artistry in action. A massive cast-iron karahi blazes. Water hits the pan, then a mountain of sugar pours in. This is high-temperature chemistry, not cooking. Constant stirring melts the sugar completely, preventing any burnt spots on the bottom. Caramelization stage, boiling at 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. The syrup flips from cloudy to radiant amber in minutes. Perfect caramel, dump in a giant bag of almonds. Sizzle, steam, and insane aroma explode. A mechanical mixer helps, but the artist's spatula rules, coating every nut in molten caramel, no gaps. Then 2 huge bags of cashews join the party. This isn't nut-studded candy, it's nuts, held together by a whisper of caramel. Race against hardening. The thickening mass fights back as the artisan wrestles it. 1 second too slow and the batch is ruined. Instantly, the heavy pan tilts. A steaming river of glossy nuts floods the steel cooling table. Before it sets, a second worker rolls a massive metal roller, compressing nuts into a thin, even slab, uniform thickness, maximum crunch. Genius tool, a multi-wheel cutter scores the warm sheet in a grid, clean lines without cracking the brittle candy. Result: perfect chicky bars. Look at that cross-section. Wall-to-wall, premium almonds and cashews in glass-thin caramel. Pure, edible art. Bars snap along the scores, stack up, and head straight to eager customers who watch the whole show. From grueling artisan sugarcane blocks to slick peanut butter factories and street-side caramel wizardry, we've seen the wild range of sweet-making mastery. Thanks for joining the journey. If you love the skill and sweat behind your favorite treats, smash that like, share with friends, and subscribe for more mind-blowing how it's made adventures. See you next time.